Inside everybody's eye lives a lens. That lens grows and thickens every year you live, and it gets a little harder and a little cloudier and a little more difficult to see. That's what we fix when we do cataract surgery. We take out that cloudy lens and we replace it with a new implant. When we do that implant, we get to pick what we're going to put in the eye. Just taking out the cataract and putting in a standard lens is going to make a huge improvement in patients' vision, but typically only for things far away. And when patients go to look at something up close, they're going to be reaching for their reading glasses. This day and age, that can be really frustrating because there's so much personal technology that we work with really close to our faces. Multifocal lenses are great because they give patients a lot of functional range. It's a lifestyle lens. Patients can look out at the distance, see down the road, and then they can send a text message to their mom. The PanOptix Pro is the latest generation of multifocal lens, and the PanOptix Pro is geared at giving patients the best near vision possible. Sometimes as patients get older and their vision gets a little blurrier, they just assume, oh, this is just what happens as I get older. But it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. If you're not happy with your vision and you wish you could see better, please reach out to us. We're happy to see you and take care of you at Florida Eye Specialists.